Hello, everybody! It's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. Alright, in this exciting video, guys, we got a 12-inch Lodge cast iron Dutch oven. Alright, now, this is brand new. It's never been used. The only thing I've done to it is I rinsed it off with some hot water. I know what you're thinking. Man, put some water on it? Well, let's just put it this way. Lodge must have had this sitting around for a while because there was a layer of dust on there you wouldn't believe. However, it don't matter because we're going to season it today. Alright? Now, these do come pre-seasoned from the factory, okay? However, the seasoning that's on them is very lame. Alright? And basically, I think it's just put there to keep it from rusting while it's in storage and shipping and whatnot. And as you can see, there is some of the original seasoning on it. So, what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to season this, well, what I think is the proper way. You may not agree with me, and that's fine. You know, we all have different ways of doing things. So let's get to it, okay? I got the oven preheated. I got it preheating at 350 degrees. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a coat of vegetable oil on this. I'm going to put it all over it, just a thin coat. And then I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to let it cook in the oven for about an hour. And then we're going to pull it out and see what it looks like, okay? If need be, I'll put another coat on there and do it again. But we're going to get this good and seasoned up, all right? Just like them ones over there. So as you can see, I'm no stranger to the cast iron world. I grew up on cast iron frying pans and pots. They're the best pans in the world, in my opinion. Others may have their own opinions on it, and that's fine too. So let's get to it. Alright, as you can see, we got some oil here. I don't know how well you're seeing it in this blue bowl, but got some oil. Alright, we're just going to take a piece of paper towel in here. Get a good one. Alright. We're going to take this paper towel in. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take this lid off. Alright, we'll do that in a second. And I'm going to take some of this oil and I'm going to pour it right in there like that. Alright, just get a good mess of it in there. I'm going to take this paper toweling right here, and I'm going to rub it so that it gets good layer of oil all over the sides, all over the top of it. We're going to really rub it into the pores. Alright, just rub it right in there. Don't be scared. There's more than enough oil in there to do the whole pan. Alright. Then we're going to do the sides here. Rub it all over the sides. Everything good and oily. Now don't worry if you make a little bit of a mess. It's alright, the mess will clean up. Alright, you just want a really good coat of oil all over this thing. Alright. Alright, we're going to get the bottom. Flip it over. Probably should have done the bottom first. Oh well. Get the bottom of it, get all the little legs. You want it all oiled up. Now what this will do is this will probably burn off when you're cooking on the bottom here. But what it does is it keeps it from rusting. You don't want your pans to rust. So let's flip this back over. Alright. Make sure I got all the edges and ridges and everything. And I think it's nice and oiled up. Alright, no job's worth doing unless it's done right. Alright, so we got it all fairly coated, really good. Real good coat of oil on it. Now, I'm going to bring the top over here and I'm going to flip it upside down and set it right on top here. And we're going to do the top. Same way. Here, let's get some more oil on there. Put a little bit more oil on that. And we're going to rub that right in. Get good and soaked right into the pores of this cast iron. Just like that. All right. Yeah. All right. Get good and nice. Spin it around a little bit. Make sure I get all the edges. You don't want nothing that ain't covered in oil to make it into the oven. All right, because we're gonna season this baby up good. All right, now what this does is it makes it where you can cook on it and your food won't stick. All right, and for those of you that know about Dutch ovens, you know that you can flip this pan lid over and cook on it like a frying pan. And we're gonna get the top. Let's get some oil. Good old coat of oil on everything. All right, there we go. Get all in the little nooks and crannies. Handle real good. Besides that, it makes it look pretty. Ain't nothing prettier than a seasoned cast iron pan or pot, Dutch oven, griddle. I have them all now. Heck yeah, I love cast iron. And if you're watching this, I'm sure you do too. Right? That's right. When we take care of our cast iron, it'll take care of us. All right. So we got this all seasoned up. All right, or oiled up, I should say. We're going to season it right now. All right, get that layer of oil all over it. Let's throw this rag away. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to open the oven. I'm going to pull out the rack. All right, and on the rack, as I don't know if you can see there, on the rack we're going to place our lid on the rack. We're going to push it in there. All right. Then we're going to take the kettle, the cast iron Dutch oven, pot, part. We're going to slide it right in there as well. There we go. All right. And now we're going to set our timer for 1 hour. Okay, so my timer's set for an hour, and we're going to come back in an hour, and I'll show you what it looks like. We may have to do this again. Give you another little look. Ain't that pretty? All those shiny cast iron pans, ain't they pretty? Oh yeah. All right, I'll bring you back when it's done. All right, guys. The hour's up. The pan's cooled off. I turned the oven off, let it cool off a little bit. Let's get it out of the oven and see what we got here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Here, let's get this down where you can see it. Look how nice that turned out. Ain't that beautiful? Look at that. I know that looks wet, but really it's not. It's dry. That is wonderful. That is a beautiful coating. Got it here on the sides too. All the sides have been beautifully coated. Looks pretty good, huh? All right, let's get the top out and see how that turned out. Oh yeah, just like glass. Look at that. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. How to take care of your cast iron Dutch ovens and cast iron pans. And stay tuned for future cast iron Dutch oven cooking. We're going to hopefully get some done. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Dark Matter. Alright, on that note, I'm your buddy, I'm your friend, I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.